let's take a look at selecting training methods and media. One way of classifying training is by the degree of activity expected or required of trainees. On one end, the lecture method and videotapes are generally the least active or most passive form of training. Other approaches, such as computer based instruction or video conferencing, are moderately active. On the other extreme, highly experimental methods such as outdoor training, role playing exercises, games, and simulations demand the greatest amount of activity or action from trainees. Training approaches also can be grouped into two broad categories: on the job methods, which typically occur in the employee's normal work setting, and classroom methods, which typically take place away from the job. Computer-based training, CBT for example, can be implemented using a computer at an employee's desk or workstation, in a company classroom, or even an employee's home. Several factors should be considered when choosing the most appropriate method. The objectives of the program are the most important factor. Some approaches are more appropriate for achieving particular objectives than others. Unfortunately, in many organizations, managers often ask the HRD department to design and implement programs quickly while spending as little money as possible. Some methods require highly trained trainers and specialized equipment or facilities to be delivered effectively. Again, trade-offs are likely necessary and may require choosing alternate approaches with less demanding resources. Methods such as computer-based training require a fairly high level of literacy. Similarly, because individuals have different learning styles, some training methods may be more appropriate than others. In the end, selection of training methods and media requires that program designers have knowledge of different HRD techniques and use sound judgment in their decision making. HRD professionals should investigate all available methods and, when in doubt, consult expertise in colleagues and others who they value and trust.